Hi guys! Tara samahan niyo akong tikman itong brand, and this is located in lower ground floor, Festival Expansion, Water Garden, Muntinlupa City. Ay nako, kailangan mo talagang tikman tong famous street food. Artisan pastry all the way from Europe. Nako, talagang nandito na nga siya sa Manila. They have branches in Molito and now meron na sila dito sa Festival Malalabang. Yung price range pala nila, of course, 88 to 178 pesos only guys. Ang nakatawa pa dito guys, nako, fresh na fresh tong isuserve sa inyo. Sobrang init at sobrang sarap. Grabe, talaga tignan mo, punong-puno ng butter, then different ingredients. Nako, sobrang perfect talaga nito. Kailangan mo na talagang bumili sis. Tapos niluluto nila yan in a high heat. Then, charan! Ready to eat na yun! So, yung in-order pala natin dito guys is yung Cortage Sweet Cocoa with Caramel Spread. 178 pesos only and 1,000 out of 1,000 talaga to guys. Parang kasing mas malaki pa ata to sa braso ko at sobrang sarap! Naku, hindi ko alam kung saan nanggagaling pero grabe, nagbabalance lahat. Sweetness, yung coconut, ay grabe. Pero ang perfect talaga at talagang umabot pa to hanggang kinabukasan pang breakfast pa sis. Naku, kailangan nyo panoorin yung food review ko sa drinks nila. So ayan lang, please like, share, and follow. Bye! Hi guys! And welcome back sa part 2 ng ating brand, and this is located in Festival Mall. Grabe, hindi pa rin ako makamove on sa sarap ng kanilang mga breads dito. And of course, kailangan natin tikman yung kanilang mga drinks. Yung una nating in-order is yung Crema Latte, 138 pesos only guys. Nako, perfect. 1,000 out of 1,000 talaga to. Sobrang sarap. This is made of espresso coffee mix with house blend crema syrup. Nakatuwa lang dito guys is talagang sila yung nagpe-prepare ng coffee. Tapos grabe, yung strong ng coffee nila dito. Naku, perfect sa mga mahilig na coffee lover like me. And makikita mo talaga is talagang di sila nagtitipid sa milk sis. Sobrang sarap ng combination ng kape nila dito. Must try. Yung next naman pala nating in-order is yung Classic Chocolate, 108 pesos only, and this is 9 out of 10. This is made of classic cocoa drink by Hershey. Grabe. Alam mo, di rin tinipid ang milk nito sis. At talaga kapag hinala mo siya talaga. Naku, perfect combination talaga yung Hershey drink and yung milk. Grabe. Ang sarap, sobrang refreshing. Tanggal talaga ang pagod mo dito. Kaya dayuhin nyo na rin itong brand dito sa Festival Mall and samahan nyo na rin ang order ng kanilang mga breads. Naku, tuwang-tuwang yung family dito. So, yun lang. Please like, share, and follow. Bye!